Hi everyone, this is Nashlin. Hi, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do a quick start to learning my game salad, and that is totally from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is create a blank new project. You can actually click over here to get the blank new project. Okay, once you hit on create, okay, I've created one, so it's gonna look something like this. And okay, so to start creating, what I need to do is go to the scene. For this project, I usually just leave it for now because I'm still in the prototype stage. So I'll just go to the initial scene, okay? And I can use this as my first scene that I'm going to create my game. So first of all, what I need to do is create an object, okay? And if you like to add some images, you can click over here, images. Okay, but I'm not gonna go through that, but I'm just gonna show you how I'm going to create the trigger, function, and action behavior. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is drag this actor to the stage. I can easily resize from here to make it smaller. And what I'm gonna do now is edit the attribute of this. So simply double click over the actor one at the inspector rather than clicking over here, because once I click over here it means I'm editing the instance for that actor, but rather I want to edit the prototype. So from here I'll just create a rule. Okay, the actor can be a trigger, a function, and at the same time an action depending on how you use it. Okay, so once you create a rule, the first thing that you can actually do is over here. Okay, when actor receive an event that is the mouse position is no, I'm gonna use mouse button. When the mouse button is down, okay, this is the function. When the mouse button is down, what is it going to do? So my behavior is I'm going to find the move to command, and it's very easy. I just click and drag over here. One thing I like about Game Seller is it actually gives you all the description it has for the standard behavior. Okay, so I'm going to use move to, and from here I'm going to move to somewhere. And for now, I'm going to move to the location of my mouse whenever my mouse click down and move. So it's going to move to, I'm going to set to devices, the devices of my mouse, of this mouse, okay? The position, okay, as you can see, the arrow is pointing to the right side, so it means the x-axis. So double click on this, make sure that this thing appears. Game mouse at position X, okay, and then click on the tick sign to put it in. And the up arrow will means that it's a y-axis. So I'm going to go to the devices, mouse, buttons, no, position, the mouse position, the Y position. No, if I accidentally created an extra, I can move my mouse here and then just hit on backspace to delete away. And once I got this, I just click on a tick. Okay, speed. Speed is how fast the object or the actor will follow my mouse. I'm gonna make it to a bit lower, like 100, so that it doesn't overwhelm me. And well, you can see that this part is the action. Okay, this is in fact this is the function. So my trigger is when my mouse down. When I mouse down, that means I click. Once I click on the area, okay, I'm going to go back to the scene. I can just click on the back button simply, okay, and back again so that I back to the scene. Okay, so at any point in time when I press down, that is the trigger. Okay, the function will receive that if the trigger happens, it will move to my mouse position. So let us just see how it works. Click on preview, and when I move my mouse down, you see can start to follow my mouse position and start to follow. And when, if I release my mouse, okay, it stops. Simple as that. Okay, so the trigger will be my mouse down. The function is that this actor will take note of the event, and the action is it will move to where my mouse is. Well, simple, isn't it? So that's all for starting to learn how to make your iPhone game. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Nashlin, and hope you enjoy your game making.